Step 2. Create a main assembly. The main assembly must contain all components in the project, all necessary hardware modules and all nets and their connection. Create new type, assembly, and rename it to temperature regulator simple main. Next, add your assembly, temperature regulator simple assembly to the main assembly. For this tutorial, we will use a PD850 multifunction hardware module. It has analog and digital I/O and is able to run COP code. You can locate all your components in it. Add the device PD850 with GUID PD23221, PD850 MFIO, and rename it to PD850. Add a PD955 PC with display and name it COP PC with display. This is the device, which will run your view. Add the assembly PD27109 download assembly for tutorial to your main assembly. This assembly has a COP PC device that you can use as a downloader of customware. It has a PD610 COP device that you can use to establish an Ethernet connection. It also includes two nets named IP, Ethernet, and PNet Light Link. One of the ideas in VIGO6 is distributed intelligence and IOs where the different modules are communicating over networks called nets. There are different net types. The devices connected to the same net are able to communicate directly with each other using the PNet protocol. Necessary device addresses are automatically given by the VIGO6 editor. Communication with devices on other networks takes place via gateways. PNet on RS485. PNet on RS485 is using a shielded twisted pair cable with up to 125 devices. PNet Light Link. Light Link is a PNet with up to 125 devices, using infrared light to communicate between devices mounted on a DIN rail. Factory Net. Factory Net is a net type used to connect devices on local Ethernet. It is as other PNet limited to 125 devices. It is designed to be used in projects where all devices are included in the same project. All devices are able to communicate with each other. A tunnel net. A tunnel net is a net type, like the factory net, but is designed to work safely on the Internet. The device addresses are automatically given by the VIGO6 editor. All PNet packages are sent with authentication and can be encrypted. The data is sent via a tunnel server which removes the need for fixed IP addresses. FleetNet. FleetNet is also a tunnel net but extended to address more than 1 million devices using 3-byte PNet address. The application of the FleetNet is connection of many projects. When more projects are connected, the editor can no longer automatically set the endpoint number. 125 endpoint numbers are reserved for fixed, the rest are dynamically assigned. Note, there can be many nets on the same IP cable. 4G. Alternatively, the connection from the PD modules to the tunnel server on the Internet can be established via PD804 with 4G. This is used when there is no cable access to the Internet, for example on trucks and other mobile applications. Now let's start connecting the project. Connect PD850 to the Light Link net. Press the plus sign next to the PD850. Press the plus sign next to net terminals. Right-click on Light Link. Press Connect and choose Light Link in the download assembly for tutorial. Connect the COP PC with display to the IP/Ethernet net. Press the plus sign next to the COP PC to fold it out. Fold out net terminals. Right-click on LAN 1. Press Connect and choose IP, Ethernet, in the download assembly for tutorial. The PD610 device is already connected to both PNet Light Link and to IP in the assembly.